Imagine someone diagnosed with cancer who is undergoing treatment, which already takes a toll on the body. But in that process, they become critically ill, end up on life support in an intensive care unit. And while there, they experience severe muscle wasting and muscle weakness, so severe at times they're unable to use their arms and legs. That is what I see every day in my role as a nurse practitioner in a hospital for cancer. We all know that the better physical shape one is in before falling ill, the better able they are to weather the stressors of illness. It got me thinking and made me take a closer look. Then I find out that 80% of Americans fail to meet the recommended physical activity level, and that about half of us are unaware of the link between cancer and physical activity. It is undeniable that the technological advances that have made our lives easier have also made us more sedentary. Cancer can be disabling and can alter the self-identity of those who experience it. My research takes a look statistically at data from a national survey given to adults in America to assess their awareness of cancer prevention messages, to see how measures of personal agency, social support, and demographic factors influence physical activity behavior. Secondly, for the subgroup of this sample who've ever had cancer, do these factors affect them the same way? Physical activity behavior here comprises of sitting time and amount of moderate to vigorous physical activity in a week. Final analysis included valid survey data from 1,600 respondents. Analyses were conducted in 2 blocks. The first block included everyone, and in the second block, the sample was split between those who've had cancer and those who never had cancer to assess for differences in relationships. My study found that most of the factors that made a difference in the physical activity behavior of the general sample, such as using wearable activity trackers, feeling strong, and comfort with financial income, did not matter for cancer survivors. Additionally, female cancer survivors with larger households participated more in physical activity. Though not without limitations, my study compels us, all of us, to utilize activity trackers that are already built into our personal devices, such as our phones or watches, and to decrease prolonged sitting. But I just told you this did not work for the cancer survivors, which tells us that for this special population, targeted and tailored approach is needed. Thank you.